just take a week.
He told me
Electric set of drums being unpackaged.
He said because with the $300 ones are studio quality, because you don't get the bass sound. Because everything's on one line, so you can adjust the studio.
Because they got the ones that go with them drums,
Yeah.
they're like $300.
And that other pad, that eight pad, that don't come with this, that's separate.
Oh, yeah, okay.
That's for adding like, basically that's for doing your xylophone. That's in there too.
Your xylophone?
Well, no, you can make your drum mix do that.
This would be your cage set.
No, you don't want to change it.
All the wires are already run through the stands, which is a bonus. This is your stand. Hey, the cage out, and we don't even have an instruction booklet to put this up. But he's on his way. $8,000 for this drum set. It don't come with a fucking drum pedal. Yeah, nice set. So there's the stand ready to be assembled. Here's all the little drums, and I take it this is the bass, that big box. How many toms does it have?
Four.
4?
4 toms and stand.
That's the stand. There's that stand, or the seat. That's the tom. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4,
4 toms.
5.
4 toms and stand. Check this out,
Holy nice.
bro. It's like a mesh. It's not like a.
Holy. Man, they are wicked. That's a small tom.
Tom.
Like you lifted the other band.
That would be number 1 tom.
He's recording.
Sorry, he's not recording your phone.
Yeah, he's gonna cut.
Bring it over underneath the light a little bit here.
You can see the V drum here. Badging.
Here, hold the badge up so I can see it again. Man, that's nice. Wow. Beautiful. Yeah, I'd say that's the bass. Might want to leave that right in there. It's got some tools in there too.
They got these fucking drums. They're better than them rolling.
Look at your bass.
Hey! They're better than the rolling.
They're better than rolling.
Yeah, that they're all like black, checkered like.
Yeah, they're nice.
Is there a speaker in there or something?
Must be just a cover.
Yeah, it's nice. Bass drum.
Snare stand.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the hi-hats do too. I put that too. Can you set that up?
Yeah, you have to set this back. Turn it way up there.
Right here.
You don't have them hooked to the board though, eh?
No.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Yeah, let's get it together anyway.
Is that the big one?
That's one of
Here's
the
your
big
big ride here.
That's not this one. That's the
Oh, it's just
Okay.
like trash.
Oh.
Says it's just supposed to sit there.
Oh, there's a rubber right there.
What do you mean there's a
There should be a rubber that goes on here.
No, there's
No?
no.
I don't think so. They set right on this, eh?
Oh,
Sitting
They
right
go like that on the bottom. This is the other crash.
Yeah, it's in the trash.
So they just set right on it.
One of these, it says, and one of these. Believe me, I read the book. Can't go
okay.
wrong.
Cool. It's a good thing somebody did.
That's what I figured.
I read some of it.
There, we got them all up. Now. Oh. Sweet. Pretty responsive too, huh? Yes, sir. Just tap the, just one, keep tapping it one.
It's a little bit low.
I'm in love. I'm getting divorced.
You could have a set too for only $8,000.
Yeah, I think I might get one. Fuck the boat.
Something nice. Then you fucking buy another couple cymbals, man.
What's them wear wires for?
They're extra. There's a couple. There's 4 extras.
For extra cymbals,
Or extra drums.
extra
Do you want
drums.
to add another tom like over here? Got 4 extra chairs.
How's that hi-hat work now? Does it sound step on her?
Just a minute, I'm busy.
Here, give me them.
I really like that.
It's not hitting on that. It's hitting around the corner of the bass drum.